Hi, today I want to talk about my personal social media usage. Which one is the most indispensable social media application for me? There is no doubt that it must be WeChat. Why is WeChat? In the UK, I have a lot of interesting social media applications that can be used like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. But in China, I can't use these applications without VPN. So WeChat is the best choice for me and for most Chinese people to maintain social life every day. You can see how important WeChat is in my life through the screen time. From the screen usage time, the app that I have used the longest is WeChat, which has been used for nearly 17 hours a week. The app that has been picked up the most is also WeChat, which has been picked up 117 times a week. The most received notifications are also WeChat, a total of 667 notifications were received. WeChat is a standard social media application that includes text, pictures, voice, video calls, and real-time intercom. You can share your real-time life and mood in your circle of friends and like and comment on what your friends have posted in your circle of friends. The ability of WeChat to send various forms of flyers directly with friends makes WeChat an essential office application used by most Chinese companies. WeChat can do anything you can think of. With WeChat in China, you can delete more than 90% of apps on mobile phones. WeChat can recharge phone bills, pay utilities bills, and even book movie tickets and order takeaways. With the popularity of mobile payment today, if you want, you can use WeChat to travel around China because WeChat can also book air tickets, train tickets, hotel, and taxis. Today, mobile payment is so popular. WeChat payment has become an extremely important part of my life. This is my WeChat payment bill for 2018 and 2019. WeChat payment changed my lifestyle and made me say goodbye to use of cash. Restaurants, supermarkets, and even roadside stores can pay with WeChat, which is quick and easy. This not only saves the trouble of getting to bring money, but also saves the trouble of finding change. WeChat does a very good job of privacy control in interpersonal communication. You can group all your friends. For example, I put my family in a group. While I shared the video of me going to club in the circle of friends, I set the group of the family to be invisible. While I share photos of my early morning studies, I set up only family groups to be visible. You can set a visible time range for your circle of friends content, such as the past 3 days, the past month, and the past 6 months. Suddenly something happened. I kept recording videos and forgot to make an appointment with my boyfriend. He made a WeChat voice call and asked me where I was. I said I was out because I have to rap for a long time every time I go out. He doesn't believe me and invited me to share location on WeChat. Now he could clearly see that I was still motionless at home. Location sharing is where you and your friends can share real-time locations directly on WeChat chat pages. Through real-time location sharing, my boyfriend can quickly see my real-time location, expose my lies, and urge me to go out quickly. Follow me now to see how location sharing works. From the two dots in the picture, we can see that my boyfriend and I are moving closer to each other. The two dots are very close, we should meet soon. I have seen him. He's a boy in the red coat across the road. When we were together, the two small dots shared on the WeChat location almost coincided. Unfortunately, the phone screen was out of focus due to reflections on the phone. With WeChat, you can directly transfer money with your friends without commission. The amount can be accurate to two decimal places. Although WeChat transfers are very convenient, WeChat read pockets are more interesting and increase the interaction between you and your friends. When she opened it, she not only received the money but also the cute emoji I sent her. The group read pocket is more interesting. First, let's select a few of my friends to create a chat group. Secondly, we can change the group name we want. Then, let's say hi to them. Can you help me open the red pocket? When you send a red pocket in a group, you can set whether each red pocket is an equal amount or random amount while selecting the amount and number of red pockets. It's very interesting. I can also open the group red pocket. I received 9.35 yuan. Everyone will receive different amounts of money according to their luck. Let's see how their luck is respectively. WeChat Shake is a random dating feature launched by WeChat. By shaking the phone or click the button, the interaction between users who trigger the function at the same time period is increased, increasing WeChat adhesion. Shake structure function. By shaking the mobile phone to make motions, the screen is split from splitting to merging virtually, with attractive sounds to match the action. Finally, a business card was dropped from the middle of the screen, which constituted a complete interactive experience of the function. WeChat Commerce is a new business model that uses mobile internet platforms and uses WeChat for e-commerce. People can use fragmented time for synchronous entrepreneurship of individuals or small teams. WeChat Business is based on the ability of WeChat to connect everything, realize social sharing of products, recommendation of acquaintance, and display in a circle of friends. Start the WeChat run and you can see the daily steps of your WeChat friends and your step ranking among WeChat friends. The background of the circle of the friends of the first step friend will occupy the background cover of the WeChat run. For example, the first place now is my grandpa, and my background friend of the WeChat run is my grandpa's circle of friends. The background pictures is my grandma. Coronavirus is very serious in the UK, and my parents use my WeChat steps to monitor whether I am staying at home. The medium is the extension of man. This view was put forward by Marshall McLuhan in Understanding the Media on the Extension of Man. He believes that the media is the extension of human sensory abilities, and the use of each medium will change the state of sensory balance and produce different physiological effects and ways of understanding and responding to the external world. The creation of WeChat has changed the traditional way of interpersonal communication, brought convenience to life, and also set our mindset in some aspects. Whether it is WeChat, Twitter, or Instagram are social media applications, we should use them sparingly. Don't let their extent define the way we socialize, but let us choose the social we want. Thank you for watching. Bye.